Bon dia, bon dia. So, Zonella and I, she's laughing at me. Zonella and I, huh? Bon dia? It just means good day. Oh, good morning. Well, we're gonna look it up. By the way, I'm telling y'all, so we're early to the Airbnb. We got in at 9 something this morning. Well, today, right? It's still morning. It's now 11:06. Our Airbnb, the check-in time is 3 p.m. and they're not letting us check in early, which is gonna, it's not gonna be problematic. I'm gonna use the time to like do some other stuff, maybe like book the carnival tickets and all of that. But I pulled this camera out to let you know, listen, y'all need to get your Portuguese up. Or get your Translate app working before coming here. Literally, it's been a pain communicating. But what do I expect? We're in a whole other different country where they speak Portuguese. They don't speak English and they don't speak Spanish. So now was over here trying to say like she's gonna speak Spanish. Just learn your little basics. I guess our assignment today is going to be the basic training. We're gonna have to learn how to ask where's the bathroom. We're gonna have to learn how to just basic little things that we're gonna need. Like bathroom, because I don't know how to say where's the bathroom. I know how to say in Spanish, ¿Dónde es la baño?
No.
Yes. ¿Dónde es la baño? In Spanish. That's what I'm saying. I said I know how to say it in Spanish. I don't know how to say it in Portuguese, so we're gonna have to learn it. But that's what actually traveling does. Immersion forces you out of your comfort zone and forces you to just somehow speak. And we're gonna have to do that for the next few days. But anyway, we're trying to check in right now. And that's a whole other pain. Just translated from Google Translate or Apple Translate to figure out what we need to say. Pray for us. Because we couldn't check in, and so that leaves a charger, or we both need adapters, we decided to Morumbi, probably didn't have to roll my tongue to say that, Morumbi shopping. So we're basically at the mall now, and we're going to try to get something to eat, but get chargers. It seems like a lot of the stores are closed actually. It is Sunday. It is also Carnival weekend, so there's a lot. Day 1 in Brazil, and we are learning that English. So I'm saying this honestly, not as an ignorant American who is expecting them to speak English, to be quite frank. I'm honest. But what is happening is that we're recognizing that most people don't speak English. And so my tip to you is come with your Google Translate or Apple Translate ready to speak to them if you don't speak Portuguese. So I'm going to download Google Translate because Apple Translate works, but I guess I'm more used to Google. But yeah, just prepare for that. Because we are waiting to get into the Airbnb, we came to the mall to get a charger for, well, I guess all of us, because we needed the adapters. And we literally just came into this Japanese place, a massage. And this is where we are right now. So we're about to do an hour massage. It was $85 for both, an hour each. And yeah, so this is where we're gonna be for the next hour. It's called, we're gonna get the name for you. Oof. We'll get the name and we'll let you know what it is. Yo, so come in. So we booked an Airbnb. Charlie is the company. This is the apartment 1901. And it's actually pretty large space. There are 3 levels, 2 bathrooms, well, one and a half bathroom. So come in and see the half bathroom. I actually like that little spot. So if you obviously need to do work, which I need to sit down tonight, today I do some stuff, you could sit down and work here. Small kitchen. Honestly, everything you kind of need is here. It's kind of trendy, small trendy apartment, which is 3 levels high. This is the living area, and there's an outdoor patio. Let's go out. Come on. We're on the 19th floor, by the way. 19th floor. So now we can sit out here and just
chill.
Soak up the Sao Paulo. It's a little bit chilly, by the way. So it's right now it's chilly. It's probably like 60-something degrees, but the pilot did say that when we landed. But soak up the Sao Paulo sun and the sceneries of Sao Paulo, which is a very huge city in Brazil. So just don't think everything is close by. But let's go back in. This is the outside area. And now let's go upstairs. Remember, there are 3 levels. These are 2 levels. These are where the rooms are. This is pretty cool. I like this actually. I could actually live in an apartment like this. So this is bedroom number 1. And this is the bathroom area. Now I don't like that the bathroom is a little bit moldy. I'm not going to show you that. Or it's not moldy, it's just how, I guess it's stained. But that's that. And then upstairs is the final, so smaller bed. And so this certainly can sleep about 3 people. So a little cot up here, and also an outdoor area here, but yeah. So this is the Airbnb. Voila, with some closet spaces. On a nice sunny day, which it is summer right now in Sao Paulo, you would sit here and just soak up. But this is not temperatures you just want to sit outside. We're supposed to be going outside tonight. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to go outside tonight.